It's like, wow, my life has been so difficult this long for no reason.
Not today, not today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I was recording the intro just now, but I wasn't even talking. I mean, I was talking, but I wasn't recording. I need to stop doing this. Oh, let me put my speaker in too. Where did I put it? Or my little microphone. I always call it a speaker, but my microphone, hold on. Where is it? One of my last videos, I kept getting comments saying that, you know, my voice was going in and out, or the sound is going up and down, or high, low, whatever, but filming my phone, my bad. So, I can't find my little microphone that I used to plug into my phone. There's one more place it might be. Found it. And this little microphone I got from Amazon. I just plug it right into my phone and it has like a little speaker on it. It helps so you guys could hear me better. Eventually I'm gonna get a camera, but my channel is just now starting to like really develop and grow. So this year is probably gonna be the year that I actually invest and get a good camera. We have a Canon camera, but it's an older model and I don't really like it that much. Like I don't really know how to use it, and I've like looked up so many different videos on like how to use this camera, and it's just not easy for me. I want a camera that has like a little flip up thingy. Anyway, so yeah, you guys, today we're gonna be doing orders. So over the weekend, today is Tuesday, February 4th, and over the weekend I decided to run a sale because we just hit 6K subscribers on Saturday. It was like at midnight or something like that. On Saturday night, we hit 6K subscribers, and I was like, you know what? I'm about to do a sale. So I did 30% off the entire website, and the sale went so good. Like in 3 days, I got 10 orders, and for me, that is a lot. Like I've never seen a day where I got 5 orders in one day. Honestly, I started crying because I'm so, not literally crying, but my eyes got watery. I was like, oh my God. So I was just super grateful and super excited about the 6K subscribers, and then I was like, I'm gonna run a sale, and then that went really good. So I just feel like, you know, this year is gonna be a really, really good year. But yes, so I'm gonna fulfill those orders with you guys today, and you know, answer some of you guys' questions, because I get a lot of questions last videos that I posted about like me packaging and shipping orders. So I'm gonna, you know, kind of just do my orders with you guys and then talk to you guys while we're doing it. Something that I started doing, every time I get an order, I kind of put it together. Like if I'm home or if I'm not busy, and I know I have a couple of orders, I put the items in the bag. Like I put the items that they ordered in a bag, even if it doesn't have the actual labels on it, because sometimes I have lip gloss in my drawer that doesn't have all the labels on them. I'll still put them in the bag so they're together, and then whenever I get ready to fulfill the orders, I kind of just like double check what they ordered and then make sure everything has labels and put the business cards in there. But I did a like how I organized my business video, but I did rearrange my area a little bit since then. It's not really worth re-showing you guys because it's still in the same space. It's just like I kind of just arrange things, and then I have a new table back here, like an extra desk back here. So I technically have 1, 2, 3 tables in this room now, but it makes it easier for me to like have my office and my bedroom in the same space until we move, which I'm not sure when that's gonna be. So yeah. But for now, you know, I'm making do with the space that I have. So, and then the printer is actually set up in my room now because I use the printer way more than my boyfriend does. So it's in my room. I took it from his office and now it's in my office. But yeah, I'm gonna just get the business cards out. So we have 10 orders to do today. Just go through and verify what everybody ordered real quick. In my other videos, I kind of like showed you guys everything that they ordered, but I'm gonna show you kind of, but not really. And for those of you who keep wondering, my website is through Shopify, and a tip that I'm gonna tell you guys, because I know a lot of up and coming entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs are following me or subscribe to my channel, I mean, as like a lot of the questions that you guys ask me are Googleable questions. So for example, like if you were to go on my website, right, and you're wondering like, who does she host her website through? Majority of the time with a lot of websites, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their website, it'll say like Shelly's Daughter Beauty Shopify. Let me see if I go to my website real quick, because I know I've seen it on other people's website where on the bottom of their page it says it's through Shopify. I think even TKB Trading runs their website through Shopify, if I'm not mistaken. But I've also seen at the bottom that it'll say like something Big Cartel, or it'll say something about Wix at the bottom, like created through Wix or made with Wix or something like that. So if you guys are ever wondering who someone's website is hosted through, scroll all the way down to the bottom and it'll say like 2020 Shelly's Daughter Beauty Shopify or something like that. But yeah, and even like there's a lot of questions you guys ask me. Like you guys ask me how do I get the pop-up on my Shopify account? Like some of the free apps that people use on their Shopify account, the name will be there in small print. Like if you guys are signed up for my email list, you guys will see that my emails are sent to you guys through MailChimp. I'm not necessarily going to tell you guys how to set up MailChimp, but I did my research. There's so many things that you can just like literally type in Google and you'll get the answer. But a lot of times you guys will message me and I'll be scrolling through and commenting back, and then I'll miss a couple, you know, instead of waiting for me to respond back, just check on Google. And I'm not even trying to be rude. I'm just saying, like, to make you guys' life so much easier. Yeah, like right on the bottom of my website, it says 2020 Shelly's Daughter Beauty powered by Shopify. Even like with my pop-up, I don't remember if I did my pop-up through MailChimp or MailMunch, but it's one or the other. And if you see the pop-up, it'll pop up. You'll see like a little branding on the pop-up that's on the screen. Just Google. I mean, I know it sounds redundant to say Google, but I'm literally trying to tell you Google is your best friend, especially if you're trying to like create your own business. Google is definitely your best friend. Google and YouTube. I just wanted to say that real quick because I know a lot of you guys asked me that. But so I'm just getting to it. My business cards. Those are my business cards. Wait. I'm putting it in the bag. Most of them should already have them in there, but I'm just going through the orders real quick. So I'm gonna and do this. Okay. So I'm just laying out the orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 2 more that I actually have to put together. Oh my gosh, you guys have been loving the vanilla latte lip gloss. I'm so grateful that you guys like it so much. I just really appreciate you guys. It has sold out and restocked, I think 2 or 3 times already, which I didn't make that many, but I didn't know you guys are gonna love it so much, so I'm glad you guys like it. I wonder if by the time that I upload this video, I'm gonna sell out. Clear quartz. Oh, she got 2 of these. 2 clear quartz. 1 vanilla latte. 2 clear quartz. 1 Ashley and 1 selenite. In that order. So I actually added shades to my website. I added some chokers. I added a couple of earrings. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, I added new items to my website, so check it out. And all the orders right now until I run out, I'm putting lollipops in them because Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I just love you guys, like I really do. Let's see. Okay, actually, so I always get tons of comments asking me what size bubble mailers that I use. This size bubble mailer, the smallest size bubble mailer that I get, it's the 4x8 size bubble mailers. That's these ones. This one is like perfect for like if someone only buys 1 lip gloss or only buys 2 lip glosses, it fits in there perfectly. And then these larger ones, I think these are called the DVD size. These are 6x10, I believe. 6x10, and like my larger orders that have like 4 or 5, I put them in a bigger one just to give it enough space so it's not like squished. This is the size difference. So these are 6x10s and these are 4x8s. Just so you guys know if you're wondering. But oh my god, you guys, I've been waiting. I ordered some labels, which my labels are right here. I get them from Avery.com. I ordered some labels. How long ago did I do that? These already have labels. This already has a label. Perfect. And 2 business cards. So every order I put 2 business cards. 1 for the customer and then 1 for the customer to give away to someone else if they want to recommend me. So 2's in there, and then the lollipop, and then the product. But yeah, I ordered my labels, I don't know how long ago, from Avery.com, and I've been using them for a few months now. But I ordered these labels, I don't know, it's been a minute. And they said they were supposed to get here on Friday, January 31st, and it's the 4th, and they're still not here. I don't know what's going on, because I need my labels. I'm running out of labels for my lip gloss tubes. Like, I have this one, but this is the size I use on my wand tubes. And you guys always ask me what size labels I use for my wand tubes. I use the 3/4 of an inch by 2 inches and 1/4 of an inch. Probably won't be able to see it. Maybe you will, but so that's the larger ones. And then the smaller ones are 2/3 of an inch by 1 3/4 of an inch. Those are the smaller ones. So these are the size I use for my squeeze tubes. These are the ones that I use on my wand tubes. And then I had 28 labels left on that date, so I just wrote it there. So I'm gonna put that one in here. And then I'm gonna get the bigger bag. Oh, and then for the organza bags, you guys always ask me where I get these from too. These are from Amazon as well. My Bubba mailers are from Amazon. My labels are from Avery.com. But this size, the larger size bags that I have, these are 5x7 bags. And these are, I think they're 3x5. So 5x7 and I think 3x5. I don't really remember, but I think that's what it is. Sometimes I'll link it in the description box. Some of my videos have the direct link to get these in the description box, but I don't remember which ones I put it in. I'm just labeling these lip gloss tubes. Throw it in the bag. So I'm just getting ready to print out the shipping labels, and the shipping label paper that I use, I get this from Amazon. And some of you guys were asking me if I have like a Dymo printer or what kind of printer do I have. I have this, I don't know what year it is. It's like one of those big office printers. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Yeah. I don't remember what angle I had you guys at. But yeah, for the to be able to use that shipping paper, it's from Amazon. You get 200 labels, I think, for $12 or $13. But yeah, you need an inkjet printer. I think it's an inkjet or a laser printer or something like that. Put my labels in there upside down. I'm gonna print those out real quick. Like on Shopify, you can click each order. I had 10 orders on the screen, so I clicked all of them. I selected all of them, and then there's an option for you to create all the shipping labels at once. I like that. I did not know you could do that, so I'm super excited. Before I create the shipping labels, I'm just going through and making sure that there's no issues with anyone's address, because I've experienced that where, you know, they put in the wrong address, or for some reason Shopify just said that the address could not be verified. Oh, and speaking of labels, so someone was asking me about the shipping labels. If you have to pay for it yourself. Technically, yes, like your customer is paying for shipping, but you are still billed for the shipping labels. Whenever you click buy shipping labels, so right now I'm about to pay for my shipping labels, and that cost of my shipping labels gets charged to my bill at the end of the month. So even though Shopify only charges you $29 a month to like host your store, you're still getting billed for the shipping labels, and which to me that's kind of annoying. I wish, like, I honestly would rather them take the cost of shipping from the order before they deposit my money, instead of taking the shipping label from the bill, like billing the shipping labels. But either way, just be mindful. Like, if you do decide to go the Shopify route, your bill is not only going to be $29 a month. Your bill is probably going to be sometimes anywhere from $60 to $100, or depending on how many orders that you get that month, how much your bill is going to be. But I have never paid just $29 like for my bill, you know what I mean? So my life has officially just gotten easier, because I never knew you can bulk print your labels and bulk print your packing slips. Like, what? I'm so happy right now. I love Shopify. Like, I always find more reasons to like it. Like, the pros always outweigh the con anytime I think of using Shopify. Like, so I'm super grateful for it. This is what the printing label looks like. This is just I had an uneven amount of orders, but today they're even, so they're gonna print together. They're printing. I'm so excited. Wow, I'm so happy. Just in a really good mood. So whenever I have a lot of orders, at least I know that it's not gonna take me as long as it used to. Like, you guys, it's so convenient. Like, I'm so happy, because before I would put the label in and print this side and then turn it around and to print on this side. Like, now it's just printing off 2 at a time, and I'm like, yes, thank you. Okay, print packing slips in a bulk. Yes, in a bulk. This is awesome. Print, yes. And then I'm gonna take some pictures too. I'm gonna take some little video, behind the scene video real quick. They're actually grooming shears. They're dog grooming shears, but they just make life so easy for cutting stuff because they're so long. So they cover a lot of ground when you're slicing. Probably should not be cutting the labels like that in a chunk, but you guys, I'm just excited. I'm like, oh, we could do stuff in bulk now. Let's bulk it up. You guys have no idea. Like, I'm just like, wow, my life has been so difficult this long for no reason. But that's the thing, like, there's always something new to learn. And, you know, people, like, it seems like a lot of people just want all the answers handed to them. But, like, even successful people are always constantly learning. So just do your research. Don't be afraid to do your research. We are so blessed to live in a day and age where you can just pull out a phone and look up how to blah 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 and get the answers. Imagine, like, how would you guys survive back in the days when we didn't have access to all of these things? Like, those of you who don't want to use Google, like, how would you survive? I mean, you obviously did some work because you found, you know, YouTube videos, but there's always more research you can do. Just don't be afraid to trust your own research. Wow, life is just too simple right now. Being able to just look over and voila, they're all printed at once. This is amazing. I'm gonna take some pictures of this and then I'll be right back.
All my packages.
I just write their name with a little heart next to it. On the packing slip, I write a little note in there. I just handwrite, thank you so much for shopping with us. My customers know that I appreciate them because I really do. Like, I appreciate anybody that takes the time out of their day to order with me, because it's like, you guys don't have to choose to purchase your items from me because you can buy a lip gloss from anyone, but I know you guys choose to shop with me because you support me and my brand, and that means the world to me. So I always have to let you guys know that I appreciate that. And since it's Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day is around the corner, I've been using a red marker. It doesn't really make a difference, but sometimes I'll use black, sometimes I'll use this red one, and sometimes I'll use pink. Who is this one? That's funny, someone's name is Ashley. Hey girl! My name's Ashley too, for those of you guys who are new to my channel. And if you are new, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Shelly's Daughter and Shelly's Daughter Beauty. I'm closing them up whenever I put the shipping labels on everything. But oh my god, you guys, so since my labels are not in, I don't have my little sticker labels with my logo on it to go on the package, which is kind of annoying, but it's okay. Guys, that is all the orders. I was debating if I was going to take you to the post office with me, but not today, not today. I'm pretty much just going to the post office, and since I have this many, since there's like 10 orders today, I'm going to wait in line and just have them scan them out for me. That helps to get the tracking updated sooner. So like if I drop them off at the post office in the drop box, then I think they won't scan them until either the end of the day or there's only like specific times they scan it, but if I drop them off myself and wait in line and get them scanned in, then they automatically get updated in the system for tracking that they've been dropped off at the post office. So whenever I have a lot of orders, I like to do it that way just to kind of like give me a sense of peace of mind. I like to do that. But yeah, you guys, if this video was helpful for you, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Shelly's Daughter and at Shelly's Daughter Beauty. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Thank you. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye.